Hi guys, my name is Igor, and in this video I am going to talk about my favorite film emulation tool, which is called Dehancer. It's a plugin which can be used in many popular programs for video and photo editing, and also it's finally available for iOS devices. I can tell you some reasons why I like Dehancer so much. First, it's created by people who are truly passionate about film shooting, processing and color exploring. Just check Dehancer's Steam page at dehancer.com. Second, I've tried some other popular film emulation plugins before, and not only plugins but some complex methods, and I can say that Dehancer provides the most authentic results and it's easy to use. And thirdly, you can find plenty of great tutorials at Dehancer's YouTube channel, which will take your understanding of film processing to the next level. So let's take a closer look at the plugin itself. First, we need to add Dehancer to our node tree. Let's create a new node by pressing Option S on Mac and Alt S on Windows. Now let's go to the effects library and find Dehancer. Drag the plugin to our recently created node. If you already have some nodes, like I do in this example, make sure that the Dehancer node is placed at the end of your node tree. Dehancer consists of many sections, most of them are creative and truly replicate film processing algorithms. Other sections have a more technical vibe, but also nice and convenient to have them in the plugin. In the input section, you can choose your source video color space or choose your camera color profile if you are starting from scratch. This action needs to be done for the right footage interpretation in terms of color management. I've already done it in the previous node by using the Color Space Transform plugin, so I will leave Rec 709 here. By the way, I shot this footage with Canon R6 Mark II using C-Log Cinegamut color profile. Next, I usually choose one of many real cinema or photo film stock profiles in the film section. Just click the Enable checkbox and choose one of plenty of real film profiles to your taste. The push-pull control mimics how analog film responds to being shot at a different ISO value than intended. In the next three sections, film compression, expand and print, you can set contrast and saturation aspects of your image as if it was done in real film processing conditions. These sliders react differently compared to native Davinci tools, and you definitely can find room for your creative experiments here. The print section plays a huge role in terms of the analog film development process. With the Film Developer module, you can also make some tweaks to your color, saturation and contrast to your taste. In the Film Grain section, you can add one of real film grain profiles to your footage. Or you can create your own film grain profile by choosing Custom. The next two sections, halation and bloom, are my favorite. Dehancer's team recommends using these sections both at a time to achieve more realistic results. In 2 words, halation recreates how highlight areas and point sources of light acquire a sort of reddish color around them. And bloom reacts as if you used a diffusion filter on your lens. This explanation is too simple. I use it just for the case of this short video, and I strongly recommend you to check the full tutorial, which you can find on the Dehancer's YouTube channel. If you need to fix color balance at this stage, use the color head section for it. Film damage simulates the artifacts like scratches, dust, hairs that occur when film is projected. You can use different film presets or customize it as you need. Film breath emulates the exposure and slight color shifts that naturally occur in film and visible when film is projected. Gate Weave simulates worn projection equipment and adds a jitter effect to your image. In the monitor section you can find tools like false color and clipping indication, which help to keep your shadows and highlights safe. Output section allows you to set the total impact of all of the sections to your final image, as you may notice. I also have two wishes for improving this wonderful plugin. First, it would be great to have the opportunity to reset all of the sliders in each section in default position with one click. Some kind of a master reset button for each of the sections, not just the enable checkbox. Second, an opportunity to save your customized presets in sections like grain, halation, film damage and etc. for the future use. Also want to tell you about the iOS app, which I'm testing right now with my iPhone. It has almost all of the sections and sliders that you can find in Mac or PC versions, and it really provides great results for your iPhone photos and videos. Thanks for your time, guys. Make sure to check dehancer.com for more grading examples and tutorials. Bye!